When the global economy takes a hit, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP often see a surprising boost. Let's explore how this happened during past U.S. economic crashes, look at price changes, and forecast what might happen in the next downturn after 2025. The 2008 crash, triggered by the housing market collapse, was a major global downturn. Bitcoin was born in 2009, just after this crisis, so we'll focus on its early years. Ethereum and XRP didn't exist yet. When Bitcoin started in 2009, it had no official market price as it was primarily a technological experiment with no established exchange. The first recorded trade occurred in October 2009, when 5,050 BTC was exchanged for $5.02, implying a price of approximately $0.00099 per BTC. In 2011, Bitcoin's price experienced significant volatility. It reached a peak of around $31.91 in June 2011, according to historical data from early exchanges like Gox. So, Bitcoin increased by approximately 3,121,960%, showcasing an unprecedented rise in value over just 2 years. This event sets the future evolution in the financial world. Bitcoin saw a remarkable rise in value between January and December 2020. Starting the year at approximately $7,000, its price surged to around $29,000 by year's end, reflecting a significant percentage increase of about 314%. This substantial growth underscored Bitcoin's growing popularity and market momentum during that period. Ethereum experienced a significant upswing in value between January and December 2020. Starting the year at approximately $130, its price soared to around $730 by year's end, marking an impressive percentage increase of about 461%. This growth highlighted Ethereum's rising prominence and the increasing demand for its smart contract capabilities during that period. During the COVID-19 recession, XRP experienced a notable transition in value from January to December 2020. Starting at approximately 19 cents, its price rose to around 60 cents by year's end, reflecting a significant percentage increase of about 216%. This growth highlighted XRP's resilience and growing interest amid the economic challenges posed by the pandemic. Following its recovery during the COVID-19 recession, XRP demonstrated remarkable growth from December 2020 to its peak in 2025. Rising from approximately 60 cents to $3.40, as recorded on January 16, 2025, XRP achieved an impressive increase from 216% to 1,689.47%, showcasing its substantial upward trajectory and renewed market confidence. This significant surge underscored XRP's evolving role in the cryptocurrency landscape throughout the year. During economic crashes, investors often seek alternatives to traditional assets like stocks or bonds, which can plummet. Bitcoin, seen as digital gold, and other cryptos like Ethereum and XRP, attract attention due to their decentralized nature and limited supply. This was evident post-2008 with Bitcoin's creation and in 2020 when stimulus money flowed into riskier assets, boosting crypto prices. Predicting the next crash is tricky, but some analysts point to 2025 or 2026 as a potential period due to rising U.S. debt, trade tensions, and geopolitical risks like the Israel-Iran conflict. The New York Federal Reserve estimated a 68% chance of a recession by 2025 or beyond. If a crash occurs, cryptos may initially dip as investors sell liquid assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. However, history suggests a strong rebound could follow, especially if the Federal Reserve cuts rates or injects liquidity, as seen in 2020. Here's a speculative price forecast for post-2025 crash recovery by 2026 or 2027. Bitcoin is currently trading at around $75,000 in July 2025, reflecting a drop from its recent peak of $100,000. However, post-crash predictions are bullish, with analysts forecasting a rally to $150,000 to $250,000, fueled by its strong store of value narrative and potential Federal Reserve stimulus. Optimistic voices like Arthur Hayes suggest it could hit $250,000 by the end of 2025 in a liquidity-driven surge, marking a potential increase of 100% to 233%. Ethereum is currently valued at approximately $2,500 in July 2025, a decline from its recent highs. Post-crash forecasts suggest it could rise to $5,000 to $7,000, bolstered by its strong utility in DeFi and NFT markets. This represents a potential increase of 100% to 180%. XRP is currently trading at around $2.08 in July 2025, hovering near recent support levels. Post-crash predictions indicate it could climb to $4 to $8, particularly if Ripple's legal issues resolve favorably and cross-border payment adoption increases. This suggests a potential increase of 92% to 284%. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. They often surge after downturn. Think 2008 and 2020. Now, a potential crash in 2025 might bring some volatility, but the long-term outlook? Still bullish. Just a heads up, stay cautious, as volatility and global events can shift things fast. Hey crypto ninjas! If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more exciting content, and join me as we dive deeper into the world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned for the latest tips, tricks, and market updates. See you crypto ninjas in the next video.